Yeah. Now we're gonna see the trade breakdown of the trade which I took in the morning, like in gold and silver. First, I came to the daily. So what I noticed is like these relevant close were took on the GC yesterday, and top of that in silver, uh, the relevant close were took somewhat some days, but it is also so relevant to me it too. But even though like if the just because the relevant level were took out, it doesn't mean the market will turns the direction. Which I noticed is like it's flawlessly down the downtrend. Like I can see this full of distribution, like full in expansion phase. So what I noticed is my draws were these draws at the time when I am taking the trade. My draws were only the previous day's lows. It's because of the expansion, retracement, is expansion, retracement, expansion. So I waited until the C2 closure and the trade will place it on a C3. The first type of SMT is like the 2 a.m. No, the 2 a.m. doesn't took 8 like took on GC, but the 2 a.m. were taken out on this as well as this is at maybe yeah 18. It's fine. Okay, this is the first stage, and the second stage. Okay, let us get down into intermediate time frame. Once we got based on the time frame which we had to GC. This is a pattern trick. Like if we get an SMT, once the SMT confirms the CCD, it's basically up to a pattern. What does the price giving to us? It doesn't mean it's a reversal sign. It's just gap down. Like it's not gap down, it's displaced down doesn't mean it will change the direction flawlessly. See, in silver we didn't even got assist. Okay, what I waited for is I want a strength switch, fucking strength switch, because see I got a stage one SMT with a PSP, I think so. Like yeah, it's a PSP, it's a two stage, like 18th candle closed as a bearish with SMT, and 18th candle closed as a bullish with SMT. Doesn't mean that through what the two stage at the highs. We want to get delivered from the price. It's just the crowd. We didn't even form the gap. The support that's this new gap, the new like new daily opening gap support the price to tends higher, which means we got another stage at highs. Even though this is also the reason. See how this took the highs, and GC then took the highs. It's also a failure swing. Okay. Now what I want to say is a per fucking strength switch. It's like see this candle SMT again, this candle to this candle SMT. I want to see strength switch as in 1 hour. What does it strength switch mean in the sense? It's like a full of turtles with the bear. This is a full of turtles with the bear, and this one is like what this is a failure swing pair. I wanna see an 1 hour or a 30 minute these failure swings pair to get the turtle soup. For example, like this high got a turtle soup with some other highs. That comes a real game. Like it's full of failure scenes. I wanna turtle soup. So I went to intermediate time frame so called 30 minutes. I got turtle soup here right here. 2:30 highs, 3 p.m. It took. It's full of failure scene and now I got a turtle soup the asset. In silver it's vice versa. 2:30 highs like this. Okay. 2 2:30 highs like to 2:30 heights there is no see how the SMT fucks. when we get into the profiling of this 4-hour candle, this even like this PSP confirms the wick of this candle. See, this 4-hour candle. These 4-hour candles weak confirmed by a 30 mil PSP. Starting of a 2 to 230 candle, which is a PSP candle on two assets, both assets. Like it's closed as a bearish and price is closing as bearish in the GC and bullish in the silver, and it's full of a turtle tooth. Now I got a strength switch. This is called strength switch SNT. This is called a strength switch SNT on both assets. Like meanwhile in GC also. Only the two of the components. Like if I want to get the pair of a two stage, even though it's a two stage, I want a strength switch must. If the strength switch occurs, I'll be in the trade. Like once I got the strength switch in this asset, I went to silver to place my trades. What's the time? 3 to 3:30. I want to 3 minutes. 3 to 2:30 to 3:30, right? Okay. Ah, strength switch confirmed. Okay. Now I'm entering my paper trade. I don't took any trades in my account, so I don't have any account. So it's a paper trade. Once I confirmed this seized in a lower time frame, I enter right here. Like I consider this is even as a seized, so I enter here, and my SL obviously will be the S&P highs. So see how price it is. I only want these lows. Like my target is only at the time, maybe a 2 hour. I don't know how much hours it's not on my target. I targeted maybe fucking this low 2.8 a decent hour. Yeah, now I targeted what? Wait. Even I can place my threads as well as here. If there is a strong close on silver, let me see how this is. This is 230 high. How clearly it took on 330. We can place our trades here, and the S&P high is 14 targets. See how price went down. It's magical, right? Even though aware is my bearish bias at some times. See here, it's 18, it's 22. See now, uh, this candle is a PSP, if I'm not wrong. Okay. Now, yeah, it's the PSP. Okay, right. See, let's just see in XAG, GBP and those assets. See, this is XAU GBP and this is XAG GBP. Okay. Now what's the problem I'm rectifying here is this is 18th candle. Okay, like this is 17th candle. This low took here and this low doesn't took. It's two stage. It's a BSP and it's a two stage. It's a false two stage because see the fucking face of price. We were in the expansion, not even giving a V-shaped recovery for reversals, and still consolidation phase is right going here. How the fuck we should decide this as a reversal candle? It's not reversal. Just because of its two stage, it's not reversal. Everything collaborated with the phase of price to define our model. That is the trade which I took today in the morning. At the time, like uh, 2 2 a.m. candle, 2 a.m. candle. The time the trade which I took is like in the time of 3:12, 3:15. Okay, I profiled the candle which is in a 2 a.m. candle. It's a 4 hour candle. Uh, it's full of a two-stage at highs with the turtle soup asset in silver and what producing asset in a gold. Just just fucking keep your hands on the grass off until or unless the strength switch will change into the gameplay. Okay, this is the fucking condition I wanna tell myself to be straight. So nice trade. If it doesn't took, okay, let's see. If I took this as a two-stage means I'll be get probably a fucking pissed off. So one is confirmed with the two-stage. See how the structure, what the structure is telling us. I got a stage one with as in like PSP with a down close candle as here and price test. I didn't get any fucking SMP, like it's a failure thing, right? I want so much like what turtle soup one. I got turtle soup. I didn't get any of them on turtle soup. See, I get my price. I will write there like this one got 36. See, no turtle soup, no turtle soup. This one got 36 at here. Okay, as well as no turtle soup, no turtle soup, no turtle soup. Yeah, it's not a fucking sensitive. This is a sensitive. 21 candle to 20 that. Yeah, this is also not a sensitive because it's a fair, turtle soup does it right. So this is not a result. See how the price fucking reacts to us. 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3. Okay. I want a strength. I demand a strength 12 before I enter into a trade. So this is my habit, what I want to do. Let us see what's the price we reacted in the new session. Like the relevant close we have got swept off. It's a fucking failure thing. Why this is happening, I don't know. In the silver, yeah, it took a relevant low and it took the previous day low as well. Compared to gold, gold is also took previous day low. It's fucking retracement move. I am damn sure saying, but let us see. It's giving a reshape. No, it's not a reshape. It's not. It's a reshape, but it's it's not a recovery sign. It seems. See, one asset is consolidation and other asset is in a V-shaped recovery. I don't think so. This will be continued as what uh it's Tuesday. No, it's not a Tuesday. Yeah, like how I can profile my daily candle in Asia high after day, Asia to London high after day, and full of reversal. Let's see if I get any opportunity. What is it in 6:30? Assume 6:30. Yeah, I can get opportunity. This continues with PSP. Okay, 5. Let's see how the 6 a.m. candle is profiling to us. This is a 5 till 6:30. It's SMT. SMT confirms PSP as a two stage. SMT confirms PSP as a two stage and the 4 hour candle of the 6 a.m. candle is profiled with this with the rate 6, 6, 5. electric candle is on PSP. Probably we wait for another 10 switch to get into this trade. It's a failure swing, right? It's a failure swing. 45 soup, 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 soup. 45 soup, 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 soup. No, I don't get any switch right here. So we may probably end of the session. Oh, there's a man gap. See how the price were reacting. It's full of trace momentum. For sure will come back. Will give some SMP and will come back. I'm saying this for sure. Yeah, let's wind up the session. Um, how the price changing their flow in the direction. See, it's a gap. It's a gap. I demand a synthesis. If I got to, even though if I got to this, I demand a synthesis. That's the model.